So in chemical properties, dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water. So to remove water, we are using dehydrating agents. Dehydrating agents. Those are concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius or 85% phosphoric acid at 443 Kelvin or Al2O3 at 360 degrees Celsius. These are all are dehydrating agents. Suppose here we are using CH2 double bond CH2. This is, sorry, we are discussing about alcohols. CH3 CH2OH. This is ethanol. Ethanol on treatment with sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius removes the water. Removes the water. That means we can get, see here students, here OH, here one of the hydrogen removes. Elimination gives CH2 double bond CH2 ethene. Similarly, OH CH3. So 2-propanol 85% H3PO4 at 443 Kelvin gives. Here students, OH, one hydrogen. So removal of water molecule gives CH2 double bond CH bond CH2 plus H2O. This is propene. This is propene. So actually students, this is primary alcohols. This is secondary alcohols. Similarly, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So here also concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius gives removal of water molecules from adjacent positions. Then we can get propene. So this is 1-propanol. Next one is students. So we will take one example for Al2O3 also. So simply C2H5OH. Instead of CH3CH2, we can write C2H5OH also. Al2O3 at 360 degrees Celsius gives CH2 double bond in. So these are all are dehydrating agents, students. This will give removal of water from a given alcohols, then provides the alkene as the major product. So this is the answer. Tertiary butyl alcohol on treatment with 85% H3PO4 at 443 Kelvin gives. So tertiary butyl means tertiary butyl alcohol on treatment with 85% H3PO4 gives at 443 Kelvin. See here students, here OH is removed, here hydrogen is removed. Then we can get CH3 double bond CH2. So removal of water gives double bond. Here we should know the name also. 1, 2, 3. So 2-methyl propene. So 2-methyl propene is the major product. So option A is the correct one. Next reaction students. Oxidation. So here we are using oxidizing agents as a CrO3, K2Cr2O7 with sulfuric acid, pyridinium chlorochromate PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. Simply we can call PCC. And KMnO4 also useful, KMnO4 with H plus. So these are the oxidizing agents. Not only this one, HNO3 also we can use this, and HNO3. HNO3 is strong oxidizing agent. So now I will read examples. CH3, CH2, OH. So ethanol, CrO3 gives CH3, CHO. That means removal of hydrogen. Remove one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here. Then we can remove H2, means we can get only CHO. This is ethanol. This is ethanol. Alcohol, OL, aldehyde, AL. Similarly, CH3, CH3, OH. This is secondary alcohol, students. So secondary alcohols also use CrO3. CrO3 gives CH3, CH3. So remove hydrogens here also, students. One H, one H. See here, students. I made a round here. So I make a round for hydrogens. Remove that hydrogens. Oxidation means addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogens. Here we are doing removal of hydrogens. Then we can get primary alcohols gives aldehydes. Secondary alcohols gives ketones. So this is the statement, students. So primary alcohols on oxidation gives aldehydes. Secondary alcohols on oxidation gives ketone. This is important, students. This is so examples will varies, but the statement will not vary. This is based on the main statement. We can do. We can solve all the equations, students. Concentrated HNO3 gives A. What is A? Option A. CH3 COOH. B. COCH3. Option C. CH3 CCH3 CH3. Double bond CH2. Double bond CH2. D. All. So students here, actually students here, this is tertiary butanol. So I will read here complete reaction. CH3 CCH3 CH3 OH. Actually concentrated nitric acid is strong oxidizing agent. First it will remove the water molecule here, then it forms a double bond CH3 CCH3 double bond CH2. Again oxidation is possible. Then oxidation means again CH3 double bond O. Here double bond O will comes. So then again oxidation, students. So again oxidation means ketones are oxidized to form. Here what will happen is H2O is removed, CO2 is removed. So this group, totally this group is left. Then we can get ethanoic acid. So on treatment with concentrated nitric acid, this is strong oxidizing agent. So directly we can get option A. Actually these are the intermediates, option B, option C also possible, but they asked only final product. Final product means only CH3 COOH. So simple technique is, students, actually here simple technique is primary alcohols on oxidation gives aldehydes. Aldehydes on oxidation gives carboxylic acid. This is useful for total organic, students. In case of secondary alcohols, on oxidation gives ketones. On oxidation gives ketones. Ketones on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid. Okay. So for example, this is very important, students. This is useful for total organic. In case of object is very useful. So consider one more example, CH3CHOH. This is secondary alcohol, students. Secondary alcohols on oxidation with CrO3 gives CH3 C double bond O CH3. Students, here we removed hydrogen. Oxidation means the removal of hydrogens here. So this is ketone, students. Further on oxidation with CrO3 gives, see this, students, here breaking is possible. Then CH3 COOH, remaining will goes out as a H2O plus CO2. So on oxidation, this CH3 will leaves out as a H2O plus CO2. So then we got carboxylic acid. See this, carboxylic acid. This is very important, students.